Hey everyone, this is Super Swing Shooter. I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe under these unprecedented times. As always, we are going to analyze the S&P 500 Spider ETF. It's the ETF that represents the broad market or the top 500 US companies. As always, we will take a look at the highest time frame monthly chart first. Like we pointed out last week, things have stayed the same for the most part, but I will point the differences out later in the video. But as we know, this level of demand is created, but price has not retraced to it just yet. Just remember that every candlestick is 1 month of time, so it's going to take a few months to play out. But for the next couple of months, it looks like price may want to drop, but overall it's still in a uptrend. But price short term, like a couple months out, price may do a pullback into this demand zone. Is it going to always? No, but based on current price action, it's telling us that it may do that. Sure, can it do another, can it do this one? Okay, so it could do this. It could just do this red, blue, or green, red, and then it could do this. So it could take multiple months to do that, but it could do a red candle and then a green candle, red candle, or else it could do a red candle and then red candle, red candle, red candle. It could do a red candle and then a green candle and the green candle go up. So it just all depends. But current price action, this price action for this, if this month closes like this, there's a high likelihood that it's going to close red again and again until it reaches a level of demand where all of the hedge funds and big institutional banks thinks it's a great price to buy at a bargain, which is most likely down here. Now the rate at which this drops also affects the buying power down here too. So if this candle closes like this, it forms this huge engulfing candle. It could potentially break through this whole zone all the way down here, just like how for example right here we have this strong move down. Yeah, we thought it was gonna bounce, but then nope, it went all the way down. So price can always turn against you, and there's no holy grail to trading. So that's why we have to manage our risk very well and have a good risk management program with your trading. But this is the next area. This is the area where we think is going to reverse. Just remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor or wealth planner. I am just a YouTube person, not even a YouTuber yet. Just a person on YouTube that likes to analyze charts and trade. And I will trade part-time. I work a full-time job. Alright. So the monthly, that's what's going on with the monthly. Let's take a look at down here more, like that video I posted yesterday on AMD stock. Let's see if there's any possible short-term counter-trend trades. So the weekly, it's overextended, but it did create a few areas of supply of demand zones. So this one, but this one's not good. It's we have many rules to define whether it's good or not. This one's not good. This is not demand, by the way, either. Down here, this one could potentially be demand, but the one we're looking at is this one down here, because this is the one that is located right here, which is in the monthly. Sure, all these little zones in between are little obstacles that could move price back up. If it touches these zones, it could reverse from here, but we're expecting the price to go down to this monthly zone down here, just because when a lower time frame goes up against a higher time frame, the higher time frame always wins. So But then that does not mean to say that it doesn't mean that these lower time frame zones are not good potential reversals. So if price goes down here, it could reverse from this weekly zone, which the monthly zone is down here. So price could drop down here and then start rallying up higher. It doesn't have to drop down here. It just depends on what all of the obstacles are, market conditions and all that. So price could potentially reverse down here, but we don't think so because the monthly has an engulfing almost a piercing, almost engulfing candle type. So we're expecting this zone to get taken out and go down to this zone, because this zone is the monthly time frame zone that is much stronger than this zone. And also on this time frame, the weekly time frame, where every candle represents 1 week of time, you can see it's been rallying for weeks and weeks, and it's overextended. All right, let's take a look at the daily next. So the daily, same thing. Actually, it's much harder. We have a clear supply zone that has been created here, hasn't been tested. If it goes up here, there's many rules, but this is a good potential short. But let's see, weekly, yeah, it could be a good potential short-term short play, but we're expecting price to get up to here and then continue to drop all the way down to the monthly demand zone, and that's where we are looking to place our orders, or even just being a good pullback to invest long term. All right, so this is it for the analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. I make daily swing trading videos on stocks and forex using supply and demand. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the channel. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love.